We stop running. We come to continue to code our layout. Now what we will do, we'll come to project, we'll come to main activity, in sources, in Java files, in the main activity Kotlin file, because we are using Kotlin. Here an override function will create. After setting layout, we'll start by button. What our process will be, when someone click this button, you can even come here through properties. On click, you can use a function and put the name of function here and call it. When someone click this, it will call the function and it will run it. What else we can do? We come to our button. We make button name like bu get h. This is for getting h, so you can bu is meaning button, get h, and what we do, the work of it. When you come here and you write bu.getH, if you can control and space, it will give you a suggestion. If this suggestion doesn't come out, what you need to do, you should need to come to Gradle. You see Gradle, you come to build Gradle. You should add those codes to it. ID Kotlin Android and ID Kotlin Android extension. You should add it here. Like copy paste it or write it. It depends on you. Then after that, close the Gradle. So then you can use this one. You can call the ideas in this. You can call the ideas of button or text or whatever you have in your activity main XML. Okay, let's say we say bu.get. What we will do, set on click listener, is meaning when someone click on this button, what he should do the following for me. We'll open brackets. Alright, what we will do, first of all, what we need to do, we should bring the age that the user entered. Well, it will be entered here. So what is the idea of this one? We name it etdob. Etdob, it's meaning the edit text, date of birthday. We should bring that one and put it somewhere in some variable. You can use var or you can use val. It depends on situation. You say user date of birthday. User date of birthday will be as we use it in last semester without using layouts. We code it in Kotlin. But what we will do, we'll bring etdob that he give us, then dot, what we use it. Look here, what we need the text will be inserted and not the hint one. But what we need, it's the text that will be entered by user. It will be here. So we will say etdob dot text. We need it. We say dot text. He will suggest it for us. Then to make it string, we make it string or something else. Because we are, what will be calculated, there will be the current year minus this year. So this should be integer. What we should do, we'll write integer, okay, dot parse integer. Then we put this inside it. We make it a string, then we put inside. Then we make another variable, the current year, okay, equal to what? It will be to calendar, if you remember, dot get instance. Here is it, okay, and after that dot get, what we will get, open brackets, calendar again, dot, what we need from it, it's year. So we say the current year is 2022. How it will be calculated? We'll say another variable val. It will be user age years. Okay, it will be equal the current year minus the user due date of birthday. So you will calculate it and put the result in user age. Then what we need to do, we need to show it. Where will we show it? We need to show it here as age is shown. So this one ID, what is the ID of it? We will say TV. What's meaning TV is not meaning TV. It's meaning text view show age. The default I change it depending on it, because if we have more than one, but we should choose the perfect ID, the correct ID for each item, for each constance in a layout. Dot text. This text that we put it here, age shown here, it should be changed to the result of this one. What we will do, the text view show age dot text, it should be equal to what? It should be to this message. We should write the message like your age is $, as we use this because we are using this. Okay, user age and years. Okay, after that, let's check and run it. Let's come here and this is my Xiaomi mobile. We'll use something else. Let's say this horizontal one and run it again on that virtual device. Try to stay until it's run perfectly. Now finish here, launch success. You should check your virtual device. Okay, here is it run. You should enter like 19090. It depends on what you are entering. And click get my age. Your age is 32. Great, we do it. Show me my age. It depends what age you are using on it. Okay, you should like 2020. Your age is 2 years, friend. Look, it depends on what you are using. Let's say 2000. Get my age is 22. And like that, as you see, we take this age, we send it to get my age, and from my age, we make calculation as we do here. We bring the current year from calendar and we get that age, and we current year minus it with the age entered, the year entered by the user. Then we show the message here as shown here, your age is 22 years on the device. Okay, that is it. You can do something else also. You can take this one, take all of this one, let's say copy it, and we make it like here. We make it, sorry, here we go. If we make comment on our code, okay, and we come to use as it function, let's say function user get age, and try to use this one view.views. This is outside this function. This is another function. We don't write void, I forget. We will use function and give name for function, and we will give this constants for view.view. Why we add this view? So when you come here, you come to onClick, you can use the name of function, put it here, you can reach it. So we use same code here, we put it here inside. 3 variables, 2 variables for one for age of user and the other one for the current year, and we calculate them. Then after that we get the result and show it in the text that's in middle. If we can run it, we can run it by this way. If we come run it, let's say on 1990, I'm 32 years old. I know that your age is 32 years, so it will be shown that you're 32 years. It's working like this one. Go directly from onClick event to go directly to this function. This is one way. We can use another ways also. You can call the function directly from here, but it's not preferable to use this one. We delete it because it's most preferable to use inside the code, because if you use it inside that layout, the developer, after the one who want to develop your application, you need to change the layout. So we don't want to go inside layout and change it as coding, because if you come here, if you use that one, let's say I deleted already, let me check, make it split. We go to design, if you use that one, use our stage like that. If we come to code, the bottom will have on click here, if you see. So this one is not good, because it's need to come inside the layout and change it. We don't want that. As we said, look, on click it deleted. So we just in the code we can call the function. As we said, the bottom, when it's clicked, he will call that function, which is user get age, which is inside it. It will be like that. Okay, we can delete this one. Okay, you can keep comment of it, like if you want, just keep it, but here you will delete it. Oh no, now it's working, no problem. Let's try to run it again. This is the third way that we can run our app. We come here, let's go. Here is it run. Let's try 2000. Your age, get your age. Your age is 22 years. By the way, if someone tried to enter text, he cannot, because the activity here for this one we put it date. If we make it text, then the application will be crashed. Where is it? Here is text view. Here is this one. We make this one date. If you change it to text, someone can easily crash your app. You should be careful about that. If we run it, apply changes. If we come here somewhere, we click. Let's click here, you see. Then you text, you go. If you put some text randomly, get my age, you will be crashed. Why? Because your code doesn't accept text, because it's already, we are changing to string and then we make it to integer. Cannot. If we see the error here, where is the error? We get error of it. If we make debug on it, debug, if you check the debugging, here is it debug successfully. If we try to enter some text as randomly and get my age, look here, it will come here, it will take this value. After that it will calculate it. After that it will be off on window. Here we go. We go down. Then until we get to the problem, they will show you a problem that this code doesn't run because of that. Okay, so you be careful about that. What we will do, we'll change the open many classes because of that problem, as you see. So for that, to keep your app clean up, try to use same as it's needed. Here we run it again. Should run it again here if we didn't get the crash. Okay, here is back. 190.90. So you get my age, you're 8032. That's all of it for this lecture. Hopefully you get benefit of it and try different things. Maybe you get different results and show me up. Take care. Bye bye.